Now let's try a second example. In this example, we're calculating the empirical formula of a compound from elemental analysis data. We've been given a 10 gram sample and it's been found to contain 3.91 grams of carbon and 0.87 grams of hydrogen, and the remainder being oxygen. So the first thing I'm going to do is find out how much oxygen is. So the mass of oxygen, I'm just going to do that over here, will equal 10, which is the total size of the compound, minus 3.91 minus 0.87. So this will come out to be 5.22 grams. Now setting up my table, I have carbon, I have hydrogen, and I have oxygen, and the first part we have is our mass. So we have 3.91, 0.87, and 5.22 grams. Now to find our moles, remember number of moles is equal to mass over formula mass. So the formula mass of carbon is 12.01, hydrogen's 1.008, and oxygen is 16. So our moles will come out to be 0.32556, and I'm storing that in my calculator, 0.863, and I'm also storing that in my calculator, and 0.32625, which I'm stored into my calculator as well. Now to get the simplest ratio, we divide by the smallest, and the smallest is this one, so it's 0.32556. So our simplest ratio, calculating that out, will come out to 1 to 2.66 or thereabouts, and 1. Now this 2.66 is pretty close to 2/3, so I'm going to multiply the whole lot by 3, so this comes out to 3, 8, and 3. So my simplest ratio is 3:8:3, so my empirical formula is C3H8O3.